It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, what is up guys? It's RQ7 back at it with another Minecraft video. In this video we're going to be doing a lot of PvP, and if you watch till the end, you'll be able to see a giveaway, so stay tuned.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down. Drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor, and I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me in a waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can't stop myself from falling down. 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 Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Black and blue, on billboard, I'll be abused. I got secrets, and nobody knows. keep me, ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do.
Alright, so it's giveaway time. So for the giveaway, we have Arctic rank, which is a top rank, monthly crate April 2019, which can give the top rank and a lot of other helpful stuff. There's the Enigma kit, there's the keys kit, both give a lot of stuff that helps out. 2 rank crate keys, 24 hurricane crate keys, and 24 blizzard crate keys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment your IGN down below, and then I will pick a winner in the next episode.